Is your Tesla Model S screen black and unresponsive? This issue often stems from a frozen media control unit, or MCU. The MCU controls your infotainment, navigation, and other vital functions. While frustrating, most temporary black screens can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing the problem, covering everything from basic resets to more advanced solutions. Remember, this mainly applies to pre-2021 Model S vehicles. The most common solution is a hard reset. To perform this, simply press and hold both scroll wheels located on your steering wheel simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. The Tesla logo will appear, indicating the MCU is rebooting. This process can take a minute or two. This action usually resolves temporary software glitches and restores your display. According to Tesla's 2025 service reports, hard resets resolve 65% of MCU-related issues. Wait for the system to fully reboot before attempting any further actions. If a hard reset doesn't work, a more advanced method involves disconnecting the 12-volt battery. First, ensure your Tesla is completely powered off. Then, carefully disconnect the 12-volt battery located under the rear seat. Leave it disconnected for 5 to 10 minutes to clear any residual charge. Reconnect the battery securely. This method clears the MCU's cache and can resolve more persistent freezes. However, back up your data first, as this can erase settings. Tesla offers a service mode accessible through the Tesla app for deeper diagnostics and reset options. First, open the Tesla app on your phone and sign into your account. Next, navigate to your vehicle's settings or service options within the app. Enable service mode within the app. This provides access to advanced diagnostic tools and reset options. Be cautious when using service mode, as incorrect actions can potentially cause further issues with your vehicle. Follow the on-screen prompts for advanced troubleshooting. Tesla's support forums and AI-assisted troubleshooting within the app can provide further guidance. Outdated software can often lead to MCU issues in your Tesla Model S. To prevent black screens and other problems, ensure your vehicle is running the latest over-the-air update. Tesla regularly releases updates to address software bugs and improve system stability. These updates are delivered over the air, meaning you can install them without visiting a service center. As of late 2025, the latest update is v12.5.1, which includes enhanced MCU diagnostics to help identify and resolve issues more effectively. To check for and install available updates, navigate to the software section on your touchscreen. The system will show you any available updates and guide you through the installation process. Here you can see examples of Tesla's software update interfaces and the over-the-air update process. Regular updates not only fix current issues, but also add new features and improvements. Keeping your Tesla's software current is a simple yet effective preventative measure against future black screen problems and other MCU issues. If software solutions like resets and updates fail to resolve the black screen, the issue may stem from hardware problems, particularly in older media control units or MCUs. Hardware failures are more common in pre-2021 Model S vehicles, where the MCU can develop faults over time due to wear and tear. A frequent culprit is faulty capacitors within the MCU, which can fail and cause the unit to freeze or display a black screen. In response to these issues, Tesla launched a voluntary recall in the fourth quarter of 2025, affecting approximately 50,000 Model S vehicles worldwide. Eligible vehicles receive a free MCU replacement. To determine if your vehicle is affected, contact your local Tesla service center for a diagnostic check and to arrange for any necessary repairs. Preventing future black screen issues in your Tesla Model S requires proactive maintenance. Let's explore the key steps to keep your vehicle running smoothly. First, avoid exposing your Tesla to extreme temperatures. Overheating can strain the media control unit, while extreme cold might affect battery performance. Park in shaded areas and use sunshades when possible. Second, regularly monitor your battery health. Power surges from a deteriorating battery can trigger black screens. Use the Tesla app to check battery status and run health tests. This pop-up shows a healthy battery assessment. Third, Stay proactive with over-the-air updates. Tesla regularly releases software fixes that improve MCU reliability and prevent black screens. Always install updates when prompted, as shown in this update screen. Finally, remember that not all black screens indicate MCU failure. Some issues stem from the vehicle's main computer or wiring problems. Understanding this helps you troubleshoot more effectively. This dashboard shows normal operation. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and the black screen persists, it's time to contact a Tesla service center. Persistent issues might require professional intervention to diagnose and repair or replace faulty hardware. Looking ahead, Tesla's V13 update promises AI-driven predictive diagnostics to preempt MCU freezes. Future Tesla models will likely feature redundant and upgradable displays, minimizing these issues. However, for older models, owners may need to consider upgrading as parts availability dwindles.